This is the same machine, only with case different. So we use it for example. This is the soft tag on merchandise. We use soft tag to touch each sensor. So this is the main machine, so it's no problem. This is a receiver RX machine, so it's also okay, also alarm. But when we go through, it no alarm at all, or just one side alarm. It means the distance between the two sensors is too wide, so we should shorten the distance between the two sensors. Now we try to see. You see, now it's okay. Different shop may need different distance because of different shop have different electronic environment. So we must test before we install. Okay, you see now it's okay. Also, sometimes you can also adjust the sensitivity and the working mode. Okay. This is a hard tag we along with our system. You see, when we go approach the antenna, it will alarm with so wide detection, so wide distance. This is soft label buy from others. As you see, the soft label is little detection ability than the hard tag. So with same install distance, you see, it's no alarm at all. What?